On this particular refrigerator, the thermistor wire comes out of the refrigerator and comes to the controller right here. One of the first tests is to disconnect the thermistor wire and see if it starts. Okay, hopefully you could hear the refrigerator start. So the next test is to see what temperature it is inside the refrigerator. This refrigerator is measuring 34 degrees inside. So we're going to measure our leads, and we have 33.6 kilo-ohms. It's very important to read the scale over here because it's in kilo-ohms. Now we can go to the Fridge Defend website, www.arprv.com, go to the installation, and for this particular refrigerator, we'll punch into the search engine N3150 to see if the inside temperature is the same as the ohms reading that we're getting from the thermistor. Thermistor's up here on this lead, and we're going to pull the thermistor out. Now a lot of times what's going to happen is that this connection right here is going to be bad, so you look inside here and make sure that there's no corrosion on the thermistor. And you're also going to do the same ohms check that you did on the thermistor from the back. So this is measuring 23.4 ohms, but also our thermistor is a little bit warmer. So again, the other thing to do is to take and put this into water, but I don't recommend that. You can put it in what's called an ice bath. But again, I don't recommend submerging these thermistors in water. I suggest using the method that I just showed. It is important that the thermistor changes resistance with temperature. One of the best ways to test this function is to attach the ohm meter to a cold thermistor. Then put the thermistor in your hands and view the ohms changing.